Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download audio from WhatsApp. To download audio from WhatsApp, you need to first open your WhatsApp application on your mobile phone. Now, you need to change some of the settings so that you can download audio from WhatsApp. For this, tap on three dots on the top right corner. Then tap on Settings on the down. Now tap on Storage and Data option. Now here you can see Media Auto Download option. You can tap on all these three options. Like when you tap on when using mobile data, make sure you select audio. Similarly, when you select when connected on Wi-Fi, tap on audio option. And when you select when roaming option, make sure you select audio. Now go back to your chat section of your WhatsApp. Now after you change all these settings, whenever someone sends you an audio file, you can tap on the conversation. The audio file will be automatically downloaded. Now if this file is not being downloaded, then you can long press on the given audio file. Then tap on three dots present on the top right corner. After this, tap on Share option. Then here you'll be able to find Copy to Folder option. Tap on Copy to Folder option. After this, you can select a specific folder in which you want to save your audio. Then tap on Paste option. After you do so, now the audio will be saved on your mobile phone. Now you can go to your file manager. After this, there you'll be able to find the option of the folder in which you have saved your audio. I have saved on my audiobooks, so I can tap on Music. And then there you'll be able to find the audio that you have just saved from your WhatsApp. You can tap on the audio and then here you can see the audio is being played. This is how we can easily download audio from WhatsApp. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.